Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're gonna check on how to download Free Fire server. So you might have clicked this video to know how to download the Free Fire server, which is the latest server OB44 from Garena's official website. But if you search for the server on Google or on your web browser, you cannot see the official website to download the latest OB44 server. It's simply because the server has already expired, as the server was only available from 22nd March 2024 till 3rd April 2024. Now, if you want to play the server, you simply cannot because it's already past its due date. Even if you download the APK version or somehow find the official site, you can download the server, but once you open it, you'll get this page where you have to click on update. But if you click on update, it will not work as the website will show you forbidden. So guys, don't waste your time and internet pack to download the server right now. Simply wait for some time until Garena releases another server. Till then, just wait. The upcoming official server might release in the end of May 2024 or probably at the start of June 2024. Just keep yourself updated about the release. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.